Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the video style in Google Flow step by step. If you've already created an AI video but want to give it a different look, such as a cinematic, realistic, animated, or artistic style, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Google Flow website. Sign in with your Google account and open the project containing the video you want to modify. Once you're inside the project workspace, select your AI-generated video. Depending on the latest version of Google Flow, you may find options such as **style**, **visual style**, preset***, or style controls within the generation settings. If style presets are available, browse through the different options. You may see styles like *realistic*, *cinematic*, animation**, illustration**, sci-fi**, or other creative looks. Choose the style that best matches the type of video you want to create. If your version of Google Flow doesn't include built-in style presets, you can change the style directly through your prompt. For example, instead of simply describing the scene, add phrases such as *cinematic lighting*, photorealistic**, anime style**, watercolor painting**, oil painting**, cyberpunk**, or documentary style**. These style descriptions help guide the AI toward the visual appearance you want. After selecting a style or updating your prompt, review any available settings such as video quality, aspect ratio, or generation mode. Then click the *generate** or regenerate** button to create a new version of your video with the updated style. Once the generation is complete, preview the video carefully. Compare it with the previous version and see whether the new style matches your creative vision. If needed, adjust the prompt further or try another style and generate again. Many creators experiment with multiple styles before choosing the final version. Don't hesitate to test different combinations until you find the look that works best for your project. When you're satisfied with the result, save your project. If your account includes an **export** or download** option, use it to save the finished video to your computer. And that's how you can change the video style in Google.